Okay, so what are the main issues that DevOps Leader is going to help you do? What's it going to help you solve? Well, it's going to help you solve the need for a few things. One thing it's going to address is the silver bullet syndrome that you will find among your people, particularly maybe among your management. There isn't a magic answer to the issues facing your organization. There are tools and techniques that can help you solve them. There's no external magic bullet. DevOps Leader will make it clear that you need to put the effort in to do these kind of things. And it will help you realize that you need a couple of things to make this work. You need patience. You're changing people, doesn't happen instantly. And you need trust. Not just you're trusting your staff and your staff trusting you, both of those things, but also an environment and an attitude within the organization that encourages trust and rewards trust. And what that means in practice is you don't blame people when things go wrong. And lastly, and perhaps the most importantly, what DevOps Leader should help you realize is that DevOps is not equivalent to automation. DevOps does not equal automation. You need automation to make DevOps work, but you need more. You need leadership, and you need the right culture, and you need the right attitudes. And that's what this course will focus on.